Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to close Webull account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Webull app. And once you're inside here, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage, right? Now, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're here, tap on your username or your name right beside your profile icon, right? And once you're inside here, you'll be seeing your account and security. Now, all you gotta do is tap on the option that says delete account under account and security. And once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing a warning saying all your data will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered anymore. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Just check the small box and then tap on OK. And the next page will ask you to enter in your password. Now all you gotta do is type in and enter in your password and then tap on done, and that's basically how you can close your Webull account. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.